Okay, Tim's going to do his first test flight at his uproar today.
Was.
I think. He was?
Was.
Well, Tim, there's no engine on it. How are you going to get that up in the air?
It's invisible.
Oh.
I got kite strings for it today. It's windy enough. I can use kite strings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got two of them?
Yeah, one for each side.
Okay.
Got a handle like this. I do the ailerons. I got another string right here I could do for the elevator.
Okay. We'll see how that goes here in a little bit.
No, we won't. I lied.
Well, maybe next week we'll see this thing fly.
Yep, and get my motor running.
Maybe.
Don't ever buy a used motor off anybody, because they never run.
Well, if it just needs a carburetor clean, you expect that much.
Ain't the point. The guy should have had it running before he sent it.
Oh, okay.
That'd be like me selling my
Should have been running as good as that one over there.
Yeah, well, if I knew that was there, you didn't know that was there, I could have got it. Now they had a brand new motor.
Yeah, this is Timmy's new plane. He's going to test fly it today. Or test crash. We're not sure which one. Which one is it?
Enough. You're going to jinx me.
He's going to test fly it. It's going to be a good flight. It's going to come back in one piece.
Makes it a lot easier. And I found all my damn...
First test start. Maybe. Ooh.
You see that?
Yep.
Yeah, backfired. How far is the needle screwed out, Tim, before you get too carried away? Fly it like you stole it, man!
Sure is noisy.
Damn two-stroke engines. Alright, are you going to crash the plane for us today?
I'm going to try not to, but you just never know what happens out here. We sometimes have some little accidents out here.
I know that for a fact.
You had a big one here just recently.
Oh, it ain't very peppy, is it?
Wow.
That's full throttle?
Yep.
Oh, you need to put something bigger than that. That sucks.
I can put a bigger prop. It had that motor had an option. This is the smallest one.
That thing's floaty, yeah.
Yep, it's floaty, isn't it?
Needs a lot of power to get through the wind.
You ought to better land that thing like a helicopter. That's it? Alright, now you can crash it. There you go.
Is that good enough?
No, ain't good enough. Ain't nothing broken. Hey, wait a minute. Let me go step
Off to somebody, you know?
Stay over here. Stay over here.
Don't want to get too far over there. That thing looks like it could be a handful.
You know what? The wind's not even coming from that direction.
Yes, it is. Look.
Not exciting enough, is it?
Will it fly upside down?
Have enough trouble flying upside down.
I just roll over.
No, I think that motor needed ran just about as much as anything.
Yeah.
I think that helps sometimes 4 hours to get on, but yeah, the air will affect it.
Huh. What are you running for, Tim?
I ain't taking no chance. That wind's shifting. My luck, it hit me. I can't get her, you know. I got a tedious job I got to do. There you go. Oh, I thought I was going to flip.
Until the pumper gets wore out, they got a little pumper diaphragm in them.
It didn't even make it to you, did I? turn it, lock it, it wouldn't hook. Well, there's nowhere for it to hook to.
Jeff,
So I,
you're gonna crash it, right?
no, I'm not gonna crash it. Not today, anyways. Maybe another day here soon.
Hopefully today.
Tim just needs a crash to get video.
No, you need the crash video because you're always depressed because you never get one.
Yeah, we haven't had many crashes lately,
No.
except yours. Yours
Except
was the best
mine.
one lately. Didn't get it on
Now it
video.
wasn't a crash. That was a totally destruction.
Yeah, well,
That was beyond crashing. Crash you can repair. Oh, that's better than the other plane. A little faster. See how good it does a
Not
roll.
as much as the other one.
See if it does a roll.
I like Pete's excuse for buying one though.
Yeah.
For his grandson. Yeah, his grandson's flew it yet.
Pete flies it a lot though.
That's what I mean. Pretty good.
And heavy
So
wind is flying pretty good.
So easy, even a caveman can fly
Yeah.
it. There's the
Are
caveman
you gonna
right
get
there.
one, Tim?
There's the caveman right there.
The version 2 isn't even available on Banggood yet. Closer for the camera.
Yeah.
Second or third, maybe fourth or fifth test flight of the new Uproar.
About 10.
Yeah, I lost count. 10 or 12. The first on-ground footage, all I had was on-board video. Didn't have Tim out here to run the camera, did I? Take advantage of it today.
So it smells
Got that on
good.
the camera, Tim?
So it smells good. Oh yeah, it's on. It's running. Watch, Vicky's out there somewhere.
She's already, I seen her coming back earlier.
Oh.
Jeff got his plane out here, so I have something to aim at.
Yeah. Just aim for his legs. He'll jump.
Don't even look like an Uproar with them wings.
No, but done.
This mean you're in an uproar?
Yep. Someday. Moment. Maybe not.
Hey.
Is that the new signal for someone coming in for a landing?
Yep. How much you pay for them landing gear for that?
I don't even remember now. Ubro makes them for a 40 size plane.
I don't know why you just didn't get me a pair, because you know I was gonna want a pair. They look a lot better.
I
They
knew
look
it
a
was
lot
gonna-
better than the wires.
I knew it was going to take you forever to get yours ready, so I wasn't worried.
Whatever. Mine was almost ready before yours, but I had them getting.
Almost doesn't count though. Mine's
Well,
in the air. Yours
that's
is sitting
true.
over there on the ground.
That's because I got a bad motor. That's what happens when you buy used shit.
putting them back on it.
They're in my trailer. I'm gonna buy me another Cub, I think. Five, 4, 3, 2. Landed. So them uprights keep it pretty stable in the air.
I don't know.
Hey, your time expired.
Yep. I only got it set for 7 minutes, and
Oh,
when I landed at 7 minutes, I still had half a tank every time I checked it.
now you run that at full throttle a lot, or just?
No, just on and off.
I'll work on my ailerons and stuff this week.
What's wrong with them?
Remember they're up too high.
Oh yeah, just
Try and get them.
you gotta switch that battery too.
Yeah, well, see, I'll have to break that piece out because I had to glue it in.
Oh, I did too.
I wouldn't.
Okay.
I just broke it out and cut off the glue that was left on there. We're worried that that battery's not gonna
Hold up.
Yeah.
You gonna fly anything? I don't have no motor on mine. I was gonna fly my uproar. Yeah, I got Fun Cub out. Whoa!
That didn't work.
Got that, Tim.
Oh, I got it. I was backing up when it was coming towards me.
He wasn't landing.
You know what though? It's probably a good thing they knocked off, or it would have been back in here,
No,
huh?
I was shutting it down when it come off.
Oh, okay.
Here. Let me grab that servo, Doug, and flip it back around.
Whoa!
My wheel must have caught it and bent it. At least it breaks them off enough to where you can get the bolts out of it.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm back on you.
Put that back on a few minutes ago, didn't you? Worst part about it was killing the servo.
That was the only excitement today we got on the camera.
Thank God it wasn't my plane. I've been pissed. I thought you were going to do the wheel thing too.
That was suck. Yeah, got crosswind again.
I know what the problem is.
Pilot
What?
oil.
Time remaining. 3.
Boy, that sounds so nice. Up. Ooh. Uh-oh.
You're landing now.
That was a neat landing.
Yep.
That was different. That was pretty cool.
As long as it didn't break nothing.
I don't think it
It
did.
just kind of bounced. I don't think it hurt anything.
Just that carburetor, Tim. It doesn't sound quite right.
She held his feet and knocked the head in the
Oh yeah, much better.
floor.
Much better.
I get better gas mileage too.
Yep.
I think they did it till he passed out.
Yeah.
It's a nice quiet. Do that shit.
Look out, Tim! Look out! Look out!
God damn it.